Hello, friends! Welcome to Owl Learning. Let's explore the world of ABCs and fun together.
Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Dance with me from A to Z. Jump so high, spin around. Happy letters all around. F for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, we kick our feet. C for cat says meow, meow, meow. T for drum, we dance right now. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish, let's swim today. G for giraffe, so tall you see. H for hat, for you and me.
I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for jump, move your feet. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, hear the cry.
M for monkey, funny face. N for nest, a cozy place. O for owl with glasses on. P for piano, sing along. Q for queen, wave your hand. R for rainbow, colors grand. S for sun, so bright and high. T for train, choo choo bye.
U for umbrella in the rain. V for violin, play again. W for whale, splash and spin. X for centipede, join in.
Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra,